I stopped on the Orange Trail at St. Crispin to just sit and be alone in nature. And I figured I'd review the bike. So far so good. It's extremely rugged trails. Big rocks. Lots of rocks, lots of stumps. Oh, good thing I got tire liners in here. I'm getting error code 2, which is the brake handle, and error code 10, which I don't know what that is. 10 renders the bike inoperable, and I just turn it off, turn it back on, and it runs again. So it's working. Here's some of the terrain. And this is easy compared to what I've just been through. Where to go through stuff like this for a good 2 hours so far, or an hour. So, St. Crispins, Oklahoma, in Seminole, Oklahoma. No joke, man. It's a real trail. It's beautiful being out here, middle of nowhere. No one else is around.